What's up YouTube? Today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing on this car cover for the Toyota Tacoma. This one is from carcover.com. It's a 5-layer. On the website it says that it's 100% waterproof. So this is how it comes in the package. It comes really good sealed up. It's like it's wrapped and they pretty much sucked all the air out of it. And this is what's inside the box. There's this safety cord, pretty much, so if you put it on the street. It also comes with a lock and like an antenna patch. And this bag is where you store your car cover. You have to really roll it up tight to make it fit. So when you put it out of the bag, this is how it comes. Comes with this like thing around it, maybe to keep it when they package it up. I'm not sure what it did. It probably just held it together. And the material is actually pretty soft. In the outside it's a little bit rough, but the inside it's super soft. So this is how the truck looks like. I just washed it. Alright guys, so here's the car cover for the 2000 over 3rd gen Toyota Tacoma. So this is a double cab 5-foot bed. So this is how it looks. This is the first time that I put him on. So let me just give you a walk around, show you everything around so you can see it properly. I'll point out that stuff I don't like. It's the first time that I just put it on, so I'll show you what I see about it that I don't like. But for the most part it's pretty good. Right now, after this video, I'm gonna be doing a pretty much a water test, because they say it's 100% waterproof, which is interesting to me. Alright, so first thing I've noticed, I don't know, but you see, that's the antenna on the Toyota Tacoma. Hopefully the camera's picking it up, but I feel like that's gonna be the part where it rips. First part, because it's kind of pointy. The antenna's kind of pointy, so I think it might create a small hole right there. The other thing I don't like is this stuff. So it comes with the So here's the other stuff I don't like. It comes with this thing already, which is cool, but I prefer if they made it optional. Like maybe this clips were on the inside, like this, or maybe the outside would be better. Yeah, the outside, because as it hangs, every time you cover it, it touches the paint. It keeps hitting the paint, which I don't like. And this thing, you can't take it off. It's sewn on to the other side. As you can see, there's no way to take it off. And one thing might be, even if I cut it off, which I think I might do, I don't really need it. It has this elastic, so see, as you can see, it goes all the way under the truck. It even covers your tow hitch, which is perfect. So I don't see why I need this. Maybe some people do, but not me. So I think I might end up cutting it. Same thing goes with the front. As you can see, oh yeah, in the back it touches the exhaust, so it might burn off or start melting if you cover it once you get home and the truck's hot. So you can see it's sewn onto the car cover. It's a nice detail, but I guess it's not for everyone. Not for me. I don't like it touching my paint, so that's gonna be a problem every time you put it on and take it off. This thing and the other one might hit your paint. I mean, but it feels pretty rugged. I mean, it's covers the truck pretty well. It has a little bit of slack. So I noticed that this one doesn't have the mirror pockets, which is not really a big deal to me. I just have to fold them in. As you can see, this is a little bit of slack, but it's fine. It actually works out perfect, because there's companies that make them super tight, which looks nice, but then if you have anything like any modifications on it, they're gonna stick out. So when I saw that it has a little bit of play here, perfect. So now I can actually move on to my next mod, which is putting the pods, the ditch lights right here. So they're gonna stick out, let's say like this high. So they're easily gonna over the pod lights, which is perfect. So I'm glad it's not a super tight fit over the truck. But yeah, I gotta say it's pretty good. Yeah, so pretty much those two things are the ones that I didn't like. The little clips and the antenna. I wish I had a pocket for the antenna. But I mean, overall it looks pretty good. The next thing to do is a water test. So according to the website, I don't know if you remember, let me show you right now. If you can see that patch, that's the antenna patch. I guess that'll work more for a regular antenna like this. I don't know if you can see it, just like a stick antenna. But the thing about the Tacoma, it's not a stick antenna, it's one of those fish or shark fin antennas. So this patch wouldn't even work, even if I tried it. But the good thing about this cover, according to their website, it's lifetime warranty. So whatever happens, I'll read it off what they say. It says, what does the warranty cover? The warranty protects you against defects, soiling, fading, disintegration, stains, rips, and normal use of the cover. The cover is made to last a very long time. Therefore, we are sure none of these conditions will happen. If any reason the cover fails, we will send you a free replacement. So I mean, it's covered a lifetime warranty. So if the antenna patch rips, I mean, if this antenna creates a hole in the cover, or it start fading or cracking or ripping, whatever, you got a replacement, which I think is great. For $140 for this car cover, I think it's a good price, because for the other one that I used to have on my other one, on my Ridgeline, that one was, I think I got it for like $160 from eBay, brand new. But yeah, that one started ripping in it. You could actually feel the difference. This one feels way thicker. The other one was just like a light cover, which it was water resistant, but if it was raining, even if I was under a car cover, or if it rained a little bit, like all the dirt that was on top went through and you could see the stains. Okay, so now let's do the water test. Alright, here guys, here goes the test. As you can see, I just got done washing my truck. There's not a single water drop on it, so let's see if it's actually waterproof. If it's 100% waterproof, we shouldn't see a single drop of water on the paint. Let me just dry it off, or try and shake as much water off of it so we know that it didn't go through the cover. It actually beats the water up, which is cool. It's cool. So, let me just unhook it. Let me lift the other side. I really want to lift it without getting a single drop of water on the paint. I'll put it right here. see. Nope. I think that I lifted it and that went through. Oh no, it didn't go through. I mean, I think when I took the car cover off, what I was trying to avoid still happened. But because I was spraying it super heavily here and all throughout the tailgate, really, I don't see anything. Well, it looks like it is 100% waterproof, which is nice. Alright guys, well, this is a review for the carcover.com car cover for the 3rd gen Toyota Tacoma double cab 5-foot bed. Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe, and I'll keep posting more videos. See you on the next one.